Excuse me, miss. I'm going to have to insist that you stop doing that. She's exercising. Give her a minute.
Sir, we're closing, sir.
Yeah, I know. Just give me 3 minutes. 3 minutes, you can time me.
One of them got through, too, and they was rescued.
Oh, thank God.
Excuse me, do you know this woman?
Yeah, I do. Just don't ask me what her name is.
Well, we've been trying to tell her that it's closing time, but she doesn't seem to understand.
Yeah, well, that's because she doesn't speak any English at all.
Hello, Alan. How was your day?
Excuse me, I never went to college, but wasn't that English?
Thank you for letting me use your television. It was very educational.
It's all right, miss.